Hey, people, are going. They again, they asked me to go up on the hill again. Up on the hill, with the previous video. So I go up there again, go do another one. But this time I got to go further. And I think I just got about something to eat when I reach and things. So you guys are gonna see that. And while I'm up on the way, I'm just gonna show you guys like some things on the way. And hope you guys enjoy everything. So I could just head right up there right now. So I'm reach up on the hill. I'll turn on my camera and you guys can see what I go on. So I could do that right now. Decide to join me. Come on. Decide to join me on the way. You guys, I head up the hill and now we were kind of bad, rocky, but still I go. Alright, so I almost reached Cooper's Hill, so I look over Stony Hill side, or shot over I should say. If I say towers there, 1, 2, 3, 4 towers, that's over shot over. So you can see from here, you can see over shot over. Yeah, she's like up Stony Hill side. So you guys, the way I go. There's a tree full of ackee. Just past ackee tree there, it's like loaded with open ackees and stuff. So you guys, the place actually cool. I try to make sure I come early this time because the sun is hot, very hot the last time. So make sure I come when the sun not that hot. So I left out early this morning. So I left on the way I go and stuff, you know. I think the first stop I'm gonna make is the peanut tree, which is a big tree and stuff. So when I reach that side, you're gonna see and all that. I'm gonna show you guys some more stuff. So I head around there now. Take me a good time because, as I say, the sun out, but it's not that hot as yet. So I'm gonna try to reach before it get too hot still. So almost reach part of my destination. Almost reach. So I walk up down there and reach around there and turn the camera. You can see. I couldn't see how far I reach. Oh well, today it wasn't so bad because I stopped and rest on the way, and the sun not so hot. The sun was hot. I can make sure I left early this time because last time I come up here the sun was too hot. So I make sure I move out early this morning. So yeah guys. So basically I reach now, I turn the camera, you can see. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna reach up at the peanut tree. Peanut tree. This is a big peanut tree. That's that they call it. So yep. Wow. Hey guys, so that is the peanut tree, Olive Mount. Yeah, So you guys, my head go down at the farm now and stuff. I got this orange with beer from this. So, alright, so my head go down at the farm right now. Go look about something to eat. And I'm so thirsty, so I'm gonna find my way down at the spring. Alright guys, so just leave out to try the peanut tree there, which is dark down there, so I head go down at the farm now, guys. I head go down there now, cause go down at the spring, get some water, and start out something to eat. I might put some pop chow and fry plantain. So you guys will see when I reach what I gotta do. So I could just get down there now and get this thing started out. Just find a mango here and something. It tastes so sweet, even though a stringy mango. But trust me, this is so nice. Juicy. Okay, see mango here. This mango is so sweet, like, yo. This is where I am now. I'm gonna head down, I head up this now to go down the farm. Let me finish this first. Yeah, so light window up here, so I think I do one bird hunting one idea them. Guys, I'm reach back now, reach up at the hut. Yes, finally reach a destination. So yeah guys, reach now. So what I would do is make a rest little. So I'm done rest, I go down at the spring, get some water. Yeah, so we're not gonna see all of that, so just a rest little and then get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I don't know, I'm going to the spring and I'll get some water. When I come back, I'm go get the pop chow. I'm go look about. I'm go steam some pop chow with fry plant. So I get the water first, and then we'll get the pop chow, and then we'll come back up at the hut and start the fire. So you guys are gonna see that. So I'm gonna show you the field now. Go down, push back the spring there. Spring there, a good distance. So I'm gonna go down there, go full of jug, and come back up. Oh. Yeah, look there. It's like it's a cliff. Oh. It's going to fall down there at all. Alright, so I go back up, I push by the pop chow, then I'm gonna go get some. So I head up the hill now. Yep, got a bucket of water here. This is a soursop tree. Alright guys, so I'm reaching the Party Pop Show then, and get to know, get some for steam with the planting. So these are our pop show and stuff. So yeah, I get two now what I for steam with the planting. Alright guys, so I'm get them here. It's not much, about 3 of them. I don't need more than this because it's just me alone, so I don't need much. So yeah, I get them here, clean up now and cut up and just sort them out and one thing. So I just do that. So see the pop shot in here. I get them cut up, you know. I cut them up, you know, or something. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay guys, so see the pop shot here, cut up and everything now. So wash off, cut up everything. So I make up the fire now and put it on the fire. So I'm gonna go do that now in the hot. So see the fire here. The fire side. So I'm gonna put some sticky knife, then light it. So I'm gonna get the lighter now, like this. Okay, guys, I catch the fire and something already now. So it's a way to catch up better. Then I will put on the pot with the pop jaw and something and make it go on steam and thing. Put it on the fire now and something. Pop jaw, just steam and everything now. Stir it now. So you guys see there? For me use is tomato, onion, scallion, pepper, garlic. Yeah, so that we use it up and I put some magic seasoning and stuff in it too. So I'm gonna go and steam now. We have all of the things in the hot, you know, bucket and something. Well, not in the hot, we hide it somewhere because we don't want somebody come in the hot and do nothing to it, so hide it somewhere different and things. So we have oil, milk, this is milk again, cornmeal, a lot of things, flour, peas, we have basically everything, sugar, everything. So basically I can't even live here. Yeah man, this is what we have on things. So when I use them here still, might just use the milk and might make some tea and all that. So yeah. The pop show here all steamed and finished, guys. Pop show done now, so we are gonna put on the pot now and start fry the plantains. So I'm gonna cover up this and then now we start fry the plantains. So I see the plant here now, so peel and cut them up. So I'm cut them. So I'm gonna put on the pot now and put in the oil and start fry them. Because you really forget something to eat right now. So I put in the plant them now. Yeah. Yeah, see there? Plant them in now, so I'm gonna cover it. Make them go and steam it. So this is what I do right now. My fry planting, steam, pop chow and everything. Up in the hills and all one thing. So it's a whole vibe here, and it's really relaxing and thing. Right now just me alone there about miles in the bush and something. So just I go and look for something to eat, and then I get where I come for, and then I head back down on the road and go home. So just I go and enjoy the peaceful place, and it's me just nature, nature. Just I go and enjoy it out. So yeah guys, just wait for this to finish so I can get it to eat, because I really want to get this eat right now, yo. Pop chow, it just tempt me so much, yo. But just I wait still and go on do the thing, and just you guys are gonna see when you finish and everything. Just afraid to plant them now, so then me wait for now to get them to press or crush, and just finish fry them off and get to start to eat with the pop chow. So I could do that. You guys see them there? Yeah guys, so we never bring it up to press the plant on them, so we just have to get banana leaf or something. So keep me a look right now. So let me never use to press the planting, because never bring nothing to press them. Need maybe like 2 pieces. Yeah, right, and 2 pieces are good enough, guys. Now use this to press the planting. Press this now. Put it in the pot now. I gotta do this here, so see plant them here. In the pot, so I put them on here in the pot now. That's good enough. Alright guys, so plant them finish now. Look good. Crunchy like. Yeah, so I get them here now, put them in the pop chow, and you can go eat them. So I finish fry everything and I want to do everything, so time for eat now. So my eat here. Pop chow, fried plantain, fried green plantain. Boy, the taste so good, I'm just wishing you could just taste them plantain right now. Yeah guys, so I think we just gotta taste it now. I really taste it before, but I never taste it pop chow. Even know if it cook, but normally I taste food when I even want to cook. I just do what I do one time, I feel like I done it, just done. My plant country. Yes, it tastes good. It's very good. Okay, guys. Plantain. Papillon plantain. Oh, bro, this is so good. Mm. Mm. Guys, that's the end of this video. Um, I hope you all enjoyed it and everything. Like me not finish eat it still, but just hard do the outro and thing. So yeah, I just hope you enjoy that video and thing, guys. But if you do a camping up here, but it never work out, so maybe another time I go come and do that. So just there now, easy back like when I eat, and I go head home after this, get the stuff them, head home, and go get edit that video if you guys can see it. So yeah man, that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys liked. Comment down below what you think and what you think me should do up here next, or whether want me do up here next or somewhere else. And just please subscribe to my channel and leave a like, and just share the video for me, like to your friends on Facebook or whatsoever, just share it and everything, guys. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. So peace out for now.